flagship of the 21st century, the A380 today, flown as it has been throughout the whole week by Pete Chung and Michael Chapman. Program being launched some 8 years ago, the A380 is now in service with the launch customer, which is Singapore Airlines. They received their first aircraft on the 15th of October last year. 5 aircraft are being operated currently by Singapore Airlines, currently flying in daily operations from Singapore to Sydney, London and Tokyo. They've already obtained an extremely high dispatch reliability and passenger acceptance. Emirates and Qantas will receive their A380 starting later this summer and expanding the fleet around the world to new destinations. Beginning of the week, Airbus received 196 orders, but by midweek that has been exceeded to over 207 orders. In total, the orders placed to Airbus also exceed 200 during the week.